Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel once again. Today we are going to look at how to free up your disk space. So I'm going to teach you 4 legit ways to free up your disk space. So the first step or the first way is by deleting what you call your temp files or your temporal files. When I say temporal files, they are files that are saved after performing a task on your disk. So over here you press on your keyboard Windows R. Windows R, I've already typed my percentage temp. So type percentage temp, press OK or enter. Now these are temporal files saved on the PC. You can delete them, it doesn't harm your PC because they are temporal. They are just being saved after performing a specific task. So Control A. Now I delete everything. I'm deleting everything. I mean everything. So some of them you have to skip. You have to skip. Okay. So this is the first step. The second way is Control. That's Windows R. Then you type Prefetch. Prefetch. Now it will ask you for permission to go to continue. Now over here in this folder, in this Prefetch folder, it contains logs of frequently used apps. We say log a file containing information of an event that has already occurred in a software. So over here we have to delete everything in the Prefetch folder. So Control A, then I will delete. Good. Now the third step is by cleaning your disk. So you search, I am using Windows 8, I'm going to search for disk cleaner. Disk cleaner. So here is it. Now we have to clean all unnecessary files on our disk. So this cleanup is calculating and scanning. So let's wait for it. Okay, now over here, for the temporal files, we've already deleted some. You scroll down, we have all these, we have to delete them. Temporal files, I've already deleted it. I have all these. You just check them. Okay, check them, then you hit on clean up system files. It is cleaning up what we've checked. Okay guys, now the last way to clean your disk or to free up your disk space is by going to this PC or computer. Now come here, come to the search and type size colon gigantic. Now for this size colon gigantic, it delete files that is 128 megabyte plus or upwards. Okay, and we have size colon huge, that one delete files between 16 megabytes to 128 megabytes. Now we have size colon large in that order. So over here we are dealing with files from 128 megabytes upwards. Okay, so looking at mine files, that's my larger files. I'm having 308 megabytes, 3.37 gigabytes, all these. But note, Please don't delete a file that you know it's important for you. It may be large, but it may be a file you need. Do you understand? So if you don't need it, there are some files that are two on it. That's a copy of the original file is also on it. So you have to delete one, leaving what? One. I hope you understand what I mean. So now let me speed up a little bit with the search. Try deleting it. Okay. Alright. So now I am done deleting, but remember I didn't delete it permanently, so all of them are inside the recycle bin. So I have to get inside the recycle bin and then empty everything. So empty recycle bin. But before that, I was having like 2 point something gig, 2.14 gig left. So I empty it. Besides, you can use shift delete to delete permanently. That means it won't go to the recycle bin. Okay, but I didn't use shift delete. That's why it's still inside my recycle bin. So let me skip this. Alright. So now this place. Now guys, you can see I've created enough space. I've created almost 3 point something gig. Yeah, you can still create more space by deleting your huge files. That's size colon huge. That will delete files between 60 megabytes to 128 megabytes. And also you can delete large files, which is size colon large, which will delete files between 1 megabyte to 60 megabytes. I last did a video on how to free up memory space, your internal memory space on your phone. So if you need to free up your memory space on your phone, check the description below. You'll see it, watch that particular video, and you know how to free up your memory space on your phone. That's all for today, I think, and I believe you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel so that you receive amazing videos always. Thank you for your time. All the best.